Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing some basic string programs. So here I have selected 5 basic string programs. The first one is counting vowels in a string. Second one is checking whether two strings are anagrams or not. Third one is reversing the words of a string. And fourth one is length of the longest word, finding length of the longest word in the given text. And the last one is finding the letter with highest frequency in the string. Okay, so these are the 5 programs that I would like to discuss in this video. So let me just start with the first one, counting vowels in a string. Vowels are nothing but A, E, I, O, U. They could appear in small case or this lower case or uppercase. So the letters in the string could be in either in lower case or uppercase. We have to count the number of vowels present in the given string. So how I would program this one? You just watch. So first I will assume vowels equal to A, E, I, O, U. Small a, e, I, o, u as well as big a, e, I, o, u. So I have created one string vowels with the vowels lower case as well as uppercase. Now I will consider one variable v count equal to 0. V count means vowels count. Then we have to read the string from the user. S equal to input. We will read the string from the user. Then run a for loop over S for I in S. For every character in S, if I dot is alpha, if it is alphabet, if it is not alphabet, we cannot treat that as either vowel or consonant. So it must be an alphabet. We will check that first. If I dot is alpha, then if that I in vowels, if it is alphabet and if it is in vowels, then what is to be done? Increment v count by 1. V count plus equal to 1. That's all. This will be done for each and every character, and if the character is alphabet and if it is there in vowels, then increment v count by 1. Now print number of vowels equal to comma v count. That's all. Let us run this code. Let me give some alphabets. Hello, how do you do? I am giving this one. Actually, how many number of vowels are there here? E, O, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oh, there is some problem here. If I dot is alpha, yes, str object, sorry, this alpha spelling mistake. Yeah. Let me run this one again. Hello, how are you? I think earlier I did hello, how do you do? No problem. Okay. So number of vowels equal to 7. So what are the vowels here? E, O, 3, A, E, 5, O, U, 7. Good. So this is how we can count vowels in a string using Python code. Next one. Anagrams or not. Checking whether two strings are anagrams or not. What is an anagram? Anagram is a word formed by rearranging the letters of another word. So that is called anagram. So the letters and their frequency will be the same, but they will appear in different order. That is nothing but an anagram. So let us assume there is one string S1 equal to ACT, act. S2 is CAT, cat. These two are anagrams. Why? Because the letters that appear in both the strings are same. Both the strings are same, and the frequency of those letters is also same. What is meant by frequency? The number of occurrences of the letter. Then they appear in different order. Now I can say S1 and S2 are anagrams. Okay, so how can we check that one? So I will go with the two methods here. So let me explain the first method, method 1. According to this first method, we will sort the strings. If we sort both the strings, they will be same if they are anagrams. Otherwise, they will be different. So if they are same, we will declare that S1 and S2 are anagrams. Okay, so this is using sorting. So let me do this one. If sorted of, we cannot apply sort method on strings. Why? Because we cannot change the contents. But we can apply sorted. Sorted of S1 equal to sorted of S2. If the sorted versions of S1 and S2 are same, we can declare that they are anagrams. Otherwise, else print not anagrams. That's all. So for this example I have taken, we must get the message anagrams. Yes, anagrams. They are anagrams. Let me change this a bit. Let me put CATT. Are they anagrams? No. Why? Because the number of times T appearing in the strings is different. Not anagrams. Exactly. Now let us implement method 2. For this method 2, I will be taking the help of dictionaries. Dictionaries are very useful if we need to find the frequency of some numbers or letters in the data structure. So method 2, this is dictionary approach. I will be considering creating one dictionary D. To create a dictionary, we will be using empty square brackets, or we can use dict, D equal to dict. Here I have chosen the first one. Now for I in S, run for loop. Sorry, here we need to consider two dictionaries, D1 for S1, D2 for S2. Initially both of them must be initialized as empty dictionaries. So for I in S1, if I in D1, if I is already there in the dictionary, increment its frequency by 1. D1 of I plus equal to 1. Else, if it is for the first time you are adding it to dictionary, then you make D1 of I equal to, yeah, let me change this to D2. Yes. Now two dictionaries are created, D1, D2. So if S1 and S2 are anagrams, the contents in D1 should be equal to the contents in D2. So if D1 equal to D2, print anagrams. Else print not anagrams. This is method 2. So I will run the code. Yes, both the methods are giving the same answer, not anagrams, not anagrams. Now let me remove this extra T here. Let me run this one. Both are anagrams. Yes. So These are the two methods using which we can check whether the given strings are anagrams or not. So when compared to first one, the second approach is efficient one in terms of time complexity. Okay. So next we will see reversing the words of a string. So let us take S equal to quick brown fox jumps over lazy dog. If this is the string given, how can we reverse the words of this string? The output must be dog, lazy, over, jumps, fox, brown, quick. So this is the output we must get. So how to get this one? Let me put this in comment. Then let me convert this string to list. L equal to S dot split. Okay. So just a minute. S dot split. Okay. So we can print and see what is there in list. So first let me print this one. Yes, quick brown fox jumps over lazy dog. Using split method, the string is converted to list. Now we have to reverse the list. L equal to L colon colon minus 1. Now print L. Yes, the reverse words came into L. We have reversed the list. Next, we will do the actual job. We have reversed the words. Now we will combine them into a string. That means we will put them together into a list. So into a string. S equal to join L, print yes. You see, we got the exact output that we have expected. Dog lazy over jumps fox brown quick. So this is how we can reverse. So this has been asked in Accenture. So reversing the words of a given string. This can be easily done in Python. Next, finding the length of the longest word in given text. So let me take the same, let me consider some string here. S equal to du Dasara is an auspicious festival. Dasara is an auspicious festival. There are 5 words here. What is the longest word here? Auspicious. What is the length of this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So we must get the output as 10. So how to do this one? I will be taking list comprehension here. Length equal to len of I for len of let me take this as word, len of word for word in S dot split. Okay, yeah, this is an extra bracket. Okay, so now this lengths list will contain lengths of each and every word. So if you would like to see what is there in this lengths, let us just print this and see. You see, length of Dasara is 8, is 2, and 2, auspicious 10, festival 8. We must get 10 as the output. Now let me put this in comment. This is not required. Now what I will do is print max of lengths. Okay, let me run this one. The output we got is 10. This is what we have expected. Okay, now let us look at the last program, letter with highest frequency in the string. So what is the letter with highest frequency in the word? Let me take S equal to um, hello, how do you do? Hello, how do you do? So what is the letter with the longest, what is the letter with highest frequency here? H. So if you ignore this one, this space, then what is the letter with the highest frequency? H. H is 2 times, L is 2 times, O. O is occurring for 4 times. We must get O and its occurrence is 4. Okay, its number of occurrences is 4. That is the output we must get. So for this one, the best approach is dictionary. We have to remove these spaces. So to remove these spaces, what we can do? So I will consider dictionary first of all. I will run a for loop over this one for I in yes. For I in yes in this string, if I not if I 1 2 3 4 if I in D uh, D of I equal to 1. Sorry, if I is already there in dictionary, then D of I is D of I plus 1. Else D of I equal to 1. So this is the logic we use. So here we have to avoid these spaces. Then I will write like if I dot is alpha. Let me put all this code under this if statement. Okay. Now the dictionary is constructed. Now I will be getting highest frequency HF. Let me take it as HF. HF equal to max of D dot values. Okay. HF equal to max of D dot values. Now I will run for loop on dictionary for I and D if D of I equal to HF. D of I means the value of each key is equal to HF, that means the highest frequency. Then print I print I print I comma, I will give hyphen here, comma, D of I. Okay, once it is found, just break. We need not proceed further. Break. Okay, so now let us run this one. Yes, what is the output we got? O appears for 5 times. So that is what we have got. Okay, so this is the logic for finding the letter with highest frequency in the string. Okay, so we are done with all the 5 programs. The first one is counting vowels in a string. Second one is checking whether 2 strings are anagrams or not. The third one is reversing the words of a string. The fourth one is finding the length of the longest word in the given text. And the last one is finding the letter with highest frequency in the string. There are several other methods possible to find the highest frequency of a letter. Sorry, to find the letter with highest frequency in the string. We can discuss them later in other videos. So as we have not advanced much in Python, right now I am considering only the approach using dictionary. There are other methods like count, counter, converting the string into set, etc. We can discuss them later. Okay, so I hope you understood the logic presented in these programs. If you have liked the content, please like the video